Hello everyone and welcome back to Joe and No,
to In the Pan with Joe and Diane.
that's good.
I know.
You made it sound very like homely.
Didn't I?
Yeah. There's always food that, before it goes out of sell-by date, goes into the what's called the bargain bin or the reduced shelf or the clearance part of the shop. So we thought we'd go to our local supermarket, collect some items from this reduced aisle, and try and create a meal out of only reduced items in the supermarket. Didn't we?
We did. We saved a lot of money.
We did. We saved this much. We haven't added it up yet, but there it is. That's how much we saved. That's quite good.
I know.
Anyway, what are we making?
So, what have we got? We have, this I feel is a real bargain. It was $3.45. 2 chicken legs, British fresh, was now reduced to 89p.
89p for not 2 chicken thighs or chicken breasts,
But
chicken legs.
Be careful with your chicken because you don't want to get ill.
What makes it a chicken leg?
I'm not sure. I think it might have a bone in it.
Yeah, but that's the thigh. A thigh has a bone in it.
Chicken legs. No.
I've heard of
legs.
chicken.
A leg has a bone in it.
Yeah, I know
a
that.
Thigh doesn't have bone in it.
Yes, it does. Chicken thighs has.
No, chicken thigh doesn't.
Does,
Would
Josh,
you
does chicken
do you
thigh
have a bone in your thigh? No, you don't.
Yes, I do. How can you not have a bone in your thigh? Josh, do chicken thighs have bones in them?
Chickens don't.
You must do, but I've never had the meat. I've never bought the meat and it had a bone in it.
There you go.
No, it does. You Nando's kids don't
Thigh, it
understand.
doesn't. Anyway, we've got 2 chicken legs, which were really good price, 89p. Roast Honon
Why are you
ham.
reading it upside down?
I don't know. I'm
I know you're
dyslexic.
dyslexic, but that's the next level.
Roast Gaham ham.
No, roast gammon ham.
Okay.
Gahum.
I don't know why I thought it was French.
Gahum.
And this we picked up for £1.44.
Hang on a minute, so that little waft of ham is cheaper, no, more expensive,
than the
2 whole chicken legs.
We
it
also-
was £2.14.
I know.
Now it's only £1.44.
Good on you, Gunham ham.
Next up,
Now we have the reduced green lettuce.
gem lettuce.
We got them for a whopping 43p.
43p, bargain.
Loving
also
that.
needs to be used today.
We got some, what do you call this?
Spring onions.
We got some spring onions. Put a spring into your meal with 35 cents. Oh no, you don't say cents here, that's Australian.
No, you can.
35 pence.
Next
for that
up,
one.
we got a giant slab of white Stilton cheese. Originally, it says £9.50
What?
per kilogram.
Oh.
Is that a kilogram?
I don't know. No, it
Oh.
says 0.220 goat cheese.
It was £2.09. We got it for £1.39. Not a great reduction on the old cheese.
No.
Cheese because cheese never goes off, does it?
Some packet couscous. Be good to yourself, couscous. Char grilled vegetable couscous.
Char killed. It was killed humanely though, so
And
don't
we got
worry.
that for, this was a good one, 75p.
But it was
It
£1.50.
was £1.50.
Exactly.
How much do you save on that, Joe?
We were both very bad at maths
I knew
growing
you
up.
wouldn't be able to do that.
No.
I
£1.50,
actually know
75.
the answer to that.
80p.
80, it wouldn't be because there's a 75p.
85p, like around 80p. No?
You just, I don't know actually.
I don't know. Anyway.
Right, anyway,
What are we
so
doing? I'm letting you take control of this one, Diane. I'll do the
Alright.
next one.
I think we should make some lettuce cups.
Oh, it's like the lettuce is like itself.
No, it's all right. It'll be fine. We just gotta
Okay.
wash it. Make sure we wash it. We're gonna go like an Asian style meal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the chicken up into
Mm-hmm.
little strips. We're gonna fry that up. Then we're gonna cut up some ham as well. Fry that up as well. And then we're just gonna garnish it with a bit of this.
No, bung that in with the pan, I reckon.
Yeah,
I think bung it all in the pan.
Yeah, bung it all in the pan really. And then we're gonna use this. Maybe heat it up
Yeah.
in the microwave.
Yeah.
And then put that in the cup.
Yeah.
Put the chicken and all that, and then just sprinkle some cheese
Little
on
crumbs
top.
of Stilton on top.
Yeah.
Okay. And
do
then
it.
I'm gonna do the gem lettuce are gonna be like a little boat to hold it,
Yeah.
like a little, almost
like
like a little,
lettuce cup.
yeah, little lettuce cup.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Let's do it.
I'll do the veg.
Yeah.
You do the meat.
You don't like touching meat,
I'll
do you?
touch ham. I still don't touch chicken legs.
It's alright. I'll touch the chicken legs.
Right. Okay.
So we want the chicken like to be stripped, don't we? Oh, the only thing with this chicken is number one, it has a bone. It has a boner. And number two, it's got quite a lot of skin on there.
Is that you that smells, or is that the chicken?
Definitely not me.
Oh, that really hums. We can't cook that. That's out of date. I always grew up thinking like, they've got a sell by date, but you can still go way past that. They have to do it to obviously protect themselves. But no word of a lie, that chicken humps. It genuinely stinks. The chicken doesn't normally smell like that. And that's the day it goes, it's really cheesy.
Joe, I don't think we can make, I think we're just gonna have to make lettuce cups without chicken. Yeah, let's go a vegetarian one, but yeah, let's put the ham in.
Vegetarian but with ham.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, you'll be pleased to know the spring onions are doing fine. Well, one thing we've learned already from this video is that, because obviously chicken's a bit of a risk, we're not going to take that risk because we want to stay here and continue to make videos. Just in case they're in the comments being like, oh, that's a waste of a chicken. Well, someone should have bought it when it was in the shop and eaten it then. If it smelled fine, we would obviously take the risk, but the thing is, you can't smell what that smelled like. I know when chicken smells right.
That definitely didn't smell right.
And it didn't smell good. A giant chopping board for a tiny little bit of ham.
Yeah. Right,
Moving on.
ham is smelling better.
As well, the lettuce cups are different. They're different. They do feel. Oh my god! Are you trying to cut my toes off?
Sorry about that.
And your own toes, for that matter. Diana, that could have chopped an actual toe off.
I know. Things aren't going right today, are they? Sorry about that, everyone.
Okay.
Do you know what? I think this is going to be actually very nice with just the ham anyway.
What do we do with this couscous?
Right, so we need to heat the couscous. We'll put the couscous in the pan with all this.
With the ham?
Yeah, because we're going to heat it all up.
Okay.
It'll be nice and quick, this one. This is a good quick meal.
I still can't get over that chicken. It's really annoyed me.
Lovely. Pop that on the banger.
A bit of oil.
Bit of oil. I wonder how much this meal cost us all up.
Let's start off by getting the spring onion in the pan. Why are these the spring onions make you cry?
It's an onion.
Oh, my eyeball's gone funny in my head.
Right, we're gonna add the ham.
Gonna wash this gem lettuce. You got, remember the wash your veg, hashtag wash your veg. Oh, look at that, gosh.
That's lovely.
Can you fry ham?
Of course you can.
I don't know if you can actually fry ham.
Of course you can fry ham.
Now what?
Let's add that into the pan as well.
Now?
Yep.
Going in.
Yeah.
We didn't smell this, FYI.
Look at that, that looks amazing.
Do you know that? It does look quite good.
Doesn't it? Smells delicious as well. I think we need a bit more oil.
Another bit.
A little bit more, just to
sure?
give it, yeah, just a tiny bit
Smells
more.
quite good as well.
Yeah, oh, that's a lot more.
Oh, salt and pepper in there?
Do you know what you need to do is grate a bit of that cheese up.
I don't think with Stilton you grate it.
Oh, don't you?
It's so crumbly, I think you can just literally crumble little bits
Oh.
off. I'm not a huge cheese fan. Are you?
Yeah, I love cheese.
I don't know how I feel about Stilton. This to me could probably smell worse than that chicken leg. Oh, it's like sweating.
It's all right, it's fine.
No.
I'm okay with that.
Let's swap jobs then. Let me
I'm fine with that.
Let me look after the couscous. Look at this, Diane. You're like this. Ready? Watch this. Get this on slow-mo, Josh.
Whoa. Oh, you didn't do that one very good.
Oh, no. That's fine.
Can I try?
Nope, definitely not.
Yeah, Stilton's lovely.
Ready?
Yeah, look at it. It's crumbling up just perfectly.
Okay.
I'm going to try a little bit of it.
That's the thing. Part of doing this channel for me was the fact that I wanted to be able to.
Tastes like breast milk.
How do you know what that even tastes like? Actually, wait. We all do.
It's got a real milky kind of taste.
Oh. Well, it is. It's Milky Stilton. Milky Stilt. Hashtag Milky Stilt. Go on, show your Milky Stilt. Oh,
Milky
nice
Stilt on.
Nice bit of Milky Stilt.
That looks lovely. I think
Yeah.
we're ready to
Serve it up.
serve it up.
By the way, the Milky Stilt goes off in 2 days' time, so
Yeah.
we're in date there. So you get a bit like this. You pop it in
Oh,
there.
that looks good.
You don't want to overload it too much either, because by doing that, you're then opening yourself up to making a real mess on your plate.
Should we put some with milky stilt and some without? In case you don't want milky stilt.
I will try the Milky Stilt.
Yeah, okay.
I feel quite uncomfortable saying Milky Stilt so many times
Why?
in one video.
What does milky stilt even mean?
Milky Stilton.
What is that?
Well, you just said it tastes like milk.
Yeah.
That's Stilton. So I call it Milky Stilt.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
It rhymes.
Milky Stilt. We can bring out our own version of Milky Stilt.
That's so good, Joe. Look at us.
Breast milk, Milky Stilt.
That only took us as well, I reckon maybe...
What was that, 10 minutes?
Not
If that.
even. And all done by the bargain bin. And then...
Just a little tiny bit of Milky Stilt on mine, please. Whoa! No, have one with like tiny little bit. That's a bit of me, that.
I mean, we've done this from the bargain bin, but what you could do if you had this in your household, you can always use things.
Oh yeah,
like-
but those things last forever. Do you know what I mean? You've got things in there that last for a long time.
Where's the
Soy sauce.
sweet chili sauce? It's a little drizzling
Oh,
of
sweet chili.
on there just to add a bit of sweetness because we love sweet and sour.
Really?
I mean sweet and savoury.
See, I wouldn't have done that. I would have put like a soy sauce.
Really? No.
Yeah,
I would have put sweet chili. That's where we differ, Joe.
And here you have it. This is what we call our
I think we should call it
reduce not, want not. It's like waste not, want not. Couscous hammy milky stilt special. Yeah?
Yeah.
Here we have our couscous hammy milky stilt special. Try and say that fast.
Couscous, hammy, milky milk special.
Yeah, there we go. Bosh. Right, so that's not a pepper thing. That's a bottle opener.
That looks like a
Good try.
pepper.
It's fine. Joe's gonna put pepper on it.
A little bit of pepper and salt.
There's no salt in there.
Damn it.
Whoa. Okay, that's nice. I like your style. Cool vibes. Right. Okay. Should we try this?
Yes.
So this is
Cheers.
reduced to clear
Cheers to the lettuce wraps.
milky stilt.
Milky stilts.
To milky stilt.
Hammy milky stilts. I like that.
Yeah.
I enjoy the milky stilt in there.
Yeah, the milky stilt really gives it that milky edge.
I quite enjoy that. Are you okay?
Yeah, fine. I'll get through it. Great.
Do you not like it?
No, it's cool. It's nice.
What, breast milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might not be able to put the chicken in. I think we've actually still made a really good meal.
Yeah, me too. I enjoy this. I love a good lettuce cup.
I would give that a 7 out of 10. 7.5. 7.
7.
7.
7.5 is a bit high.
Yeah, too high.
7.
7.5. Locking that in.
No, 7 we said.
Oh, 7. Sorry, 7. Locking that in.
Locking 7. But try it at home because it's very, very, very easy.
It is. Josh, you want any?
Yeah, why
You want?
not?
Go on.
Yes.
Try a lettuce
Josh
wrap.
loves it. It's gone for the other side.
Oh.
Interesting. I didn't wash that bit. It's right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good budget meal.
Good.
It's a
Yeah.
good budget meal.
Perfect. And Josh doesn't lie.
Cost all of
Josh wouldn't lie to us.
I reckon that cost about all up with even with the chicken. Chicken was only 80 pence.
Yeah, that's what you
mean-
get for 80p chicken. Despite that whole thing costing this much, that's good.
That's good.
going. I'm impressed.
Yeah,
I'm impressed.
I like that.
Nice. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit the little notification bell, like the video, share it with your friends, and give it a go yourself. But just be careful. Check the sell-by dates.
Yes. Warning to
And
you all.
wash your veg. See you later. Goodbye. Oh.